In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a template to Quantower. Now to do this, first you want to customize everything how you want it to be. So for example, over here, if I go and change this market depth over here to something completely different, like for example, I'm going to change these, for example, like this, there we go. And then I'm also going to change the symbol on here as well. No data display right now, so I have to pick a different one, for example, this one. And then I can go ahead and change whatever I want over here in my chart as well. For example, like the time over here, just like this, apply, okay? And then I can change, add some indicators, whatever I want to do. Of course, you can customize things however you want. And then whenever you've done this, you'll be able to add a template by going to the top left over here inside bind. You want to click on it and you want to click on save as template. Now you want to give it a name. I'm going to name this one test template like this. And of course, you can select the short over here as well and click on save. Now, whenever you do this, you'll then be able to apply this template on the various ways, okay? So as you can see in here, I can go and apply the template. I can go to market depth over here and apply this template over here. There we go. We have the test template. It's going to get applied just like this. And if I set a different one, for example, like this FX bind, there we go. That's the default. And if I go and apply this test one, there we go. It's going to change, okay? Now, this is going to be available for most things, not for every single thing, because of course it depends on where you actually created your template, but that's essentially how you can add it and how you can then use it inside various different windows here inside Quantower. So that's really it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.